Meaning of Indy racing.
Indy racing.
Indy racing.
Indy racing.
Indy racing. Indy racing, also known as IndyCar racing, is a form of motorsport that involves open-wheel, single-seat race cars. The term Indy refers to the Indianapolis 500, one of the most prestigious events in the sport, which is held annually at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. In addition to the Indy 500, there are several other races in the IndyCar series that take place on a variety of tracks, including street courses and ovals. Drivers in Indy racing compete for both individual race victories and the season-long championship. The sport is known for its high speeds, close competition, and daring driving maneuvers.